Hey there, let me tell you about Linda's story and how she said goodbye to nail fungus with PODOclear. Linda is 65 and like many seniors she struggled with nail fungus. The pain, the embarrassment, the thickened, discolored nails, it was a constant battle. She tried everything, creams, oral medications, even home remedies, nothing worked. But then she discovered PODOclear. PODOclear is not just another topical treatment, it uses advanced low-level laser therapy or LLT to target and eliminate the fungus right at home. No more doctor visits, no more prescriptions, just a painless, effective solution you can use in your own living room. Linda was skeptical at first, but with a 90-day money-back guarantee, she figured, why not give it a shot? And wow, was she glad she did? After just a few weeks, she noticed a significant improvement. Her nails started to clear up and the pain subsided. By the end of her treatment, Linda's nails were almost back to their healthy, natural state. Imagine the relief and confidence she felt. She could wear sandals again without feeling self-conscious. She could walk pain-free. And all this, for just £49.99, down from the original price of £199. So, if you're struggling with nail fungus, take a leaf out of Linda's book. Try PODOclear today. Reclaim your confidence risk-free. Your future, healthier self will thank you. Click the link in the description to learn more and get started. Thanks for watching, and here's to healthier nails.